Gusto mo ba ng quickie? Lika, quickie tayo. Mabilis lang to. 1-minute video tutorial. Turuan kitang gumawa ng auto coordinates using text attribute and block command. Okay, let's start with leader command. And then text attribute ATTDEF, enter, listings, okay. The text is, we have to make it 0.25, 0.05 or 0.1. And then again ATTDEF, enter, northings, .05. After that, we make it block command. For example, coordinates. What important here, you should have a pick point. This is your base point. And then select object. Enter, okay. And then the next step, double click the block, right click, insert field, object, select object, and then the position. Since this is listings, we should pick X and then okay. And then the next one, just double click the N and then right click, insert field, same, text, select object, position, and then Y. Okay. And then when you copy it to other location and commander gen, it will automatically change the coordinates. That's all. Okay, bye.